Toys for sponsoring this video.
Are you ready?
You're going down.
On your marks.
Get set.
Go! But I got a good idea. So you gotta put these barrels on the finish line, and so that way you know who wins, whoever crashes them first.
All right, let's do it.
Gotta put mine back together. I need the roof and the hood.
Ready to go.
All right, it's a race to the finish. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Then, start your engines. On your mark.
Get set.
Go! Oh no, mine flew off the track!
Yeah, dang it!
I'm good. Wanna play again?
Yeah, let's do it.
Hey guys, so recently NASCAR and Far Out Toys sent us to Homestead, Miami to see the final race of the NASCAR playoffs. Check out my sick journalism skill while we were there. So right now we're talking to Natalie Deckard from NASCAR, the truck series. It's pretty cool. Ethan, he's cool.
They're telling me about their schedules and stuff. They're like so grown up for their age. It's so cool. I wonder who that sounds like when you were young.
This is like her pit thing, so like you can see everything. Like here's this, go down here, got the cars out in the speedway, got everything. You can see everything. That's where they watch all the cars go around. Got the gas canisters down here.
So we're in Victory Road.
Victory Lane, actually. Right after meeting Natalie Deckard, we went straight to Victory Lane. And apparently, Cole does not know how to work a 360 camera. You just hold it, and you'll see everything. But you know,
We're there, but
just kind of chilling, getting ready to get back on the golf cart.
yeah.
See what's next in store with Natalie Deckard. That was cool. So you probably can't hear me, but there's jet engines drying the track. Because all the time, 24/7, it only ever rains in Florida. Forever. I'm on the golf cart to get to the kid zone. What I was trying to say is that we're going to the kid zone to meet some of you guys. To go and play with the Nascar Crash Racers toys with some real NASCAR drivers. I love riding in the same place, riding the back, and it's really fun.
I don't know.
As you can very clearly see, some more rain, just to, you know, add that right on the list. Also, the lovely lady named Gladys showed us around on this golf cart. And sadly, no, we did not do any jumps in the golf cart. She said no, but she did go fast enough. This is so sick. I'm meeting the man. If I could meet like anyone in the world, it would probably be Richard Petty. And now I'm meeting Richard Petty. Get in the picture. Coley's favorite thing to do is go on all the haulers and steal some candy from the drivers. Oh, candy. What do you think about this, Coley?
I think it's crazy.
And I really like it. Here I am. What's up? Look at these tools. And next we got to meet Ty Dillon. Let me just say he's one of the nicest guys I've ever met. Ethan.
Nice to meet you, Ethan. Cole, nice to meet you. I'm Ty.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You guys getting the whole NASCAR experience?
I am.
Huh?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome.
Just met Ty Dillon and Richard Petty all in the same like 3 seconds. There's my brother. Oh yeah, he gave us these little goodie bags. Got the race car. Looks so sinister in the rain. Look at that. This is what leads at the front. You can see the lights right there for the guide the cars and the light on top. And they're running a GT500 4. But I do have to say, out of all the things we did in NASCAR, my all-time favorite is meeting all of you guys. It was really cool to play with the NASCAR Crash Racers together with Natalie Deckard and Josh Williams. If you want some insane car crashing mayhem, you gotta check out the Crash Racers. Thanks so much to Far Out Toys and NASCAR for having us, and we'll see you guys next time.